Hey there, welcome to Crypto Updates Daily, where we review crypto news every single day, either on my YouTube or on my TikTok channel. Thank you very, very much for checking this out. We also have a free trading group. We give trade tips most days. We help people make the most of the crypto markets, multiply their gains. We also share tips on how to get free crypto, the best apps, the latest trends, and the newest exciting blockchain companies. So there's going to be a lot of things coming from this channel. Today's video is just an update. What date are we on? It's the 4th of March, Thursday the 4th of March. It's just some of the top stories today. Bitcoin down around 3.5% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum down not as much, 2.3%. XRP, funnily enough, is up 1.64%. Going to go on to a story about XRP today. And a few of the cryptos down. Cardano down 6.65% today. Not the best, in it, so I'm quite very, very bullish actually on Cardano. It is quite overpriced, so it's been on a crazy run recently. Trade tip for today: if you missed in my trade group, if you're not in it, join in the link in the description. It's a Telegram group. It's totally free for the next 50 people that join, and then it's going to be becoming a premium service. My trade on BAT is up a lot. It's up a lot. I think a few 100% with the leverage that I had in on it, and everyone in the group, 40 plus people in there at the moment, have made a ton of profits from that if they took the trade. Obviously, I'm going to show you how much BAT token is up right now. So my BAT tip came in just around this level. It was a few days ago now. We are down slightly in the past 24 hours, but still massively up. And the first take profit level was around 0.79, so that was hit, and profits were taken. So we've already recouped that initial investment. Stop losses have been set tightly. If you want all of the take profit levels, all of the stop loss levels, entry levels, all that kind of stuff, multiple times a week, trade tips, join the free group in the description. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, drop a comment if you got any questions. I reply to everyone, but if not, let's get on with the news today. So, are you wanting to buy Bitcoin at an 80% premium? Sounds like a stupid question. Well, a lot of people are doing this. They're investing in a MicroStrategy stock. It's a company owned by Michael Saylor, and they're very, very aggressive on Bitcoin. You'll have seen in some other videos, they've recently taken out huge amounts of money to invest in Bitcoin. People are investing in this stock, but the premium they're paying in terms of, instead of just investing in Bitcoin, is around about 80%. So if you're looking at spreading your risk, investing in some equities as well as crypto, I wouldn't go for Michael Saylor's company. You might as well just put it into crypto itself, not Krypton, Bitcoin itself. Now, this one's interesting. Bitmex, if any of you guys use it, there's a link in the description to get some bonuses. If you sign up to Bitmex, it's a high leverage crypto trading platform. You can make a ton of money on there, but disclaimer, you can lose a lot of money as well. Arthur Hayes is going to be potentially surrendering to the US law enforcement next month. He would be allowed to live in Singapore, but he's negotiating with federal prosecutors right now. There's been a lot of backlash recently with Bitmex and how they've been operating. Back in October, violating the Bank Secrecy Act, and there's been a lot of back and forth. So this is very interesting. It's a big potential threat for the company. So look out for this if you're in Bitmex. There are other platforms you can use as well. Check out the links in the description for a lot of other exchanges you can use. So like it says here, the many people were victims of Bitmex and the kind of unethical methods they were using, and a lot of people have been suing the platform. So you can use Bitmex. It is a good platform to use if you want to leverage trade, but there are a lot of other benefits from other platforms. If you check the description, you can get up to a $600 bonus, trading bonus, and another offer is a $200 trading bonus and 100x leverage, so you can 100 times your profits. In the description, check out those links. You have to use my link or you don't get the bonus, obviously. But just let you know they are affiliate. I do get benefit from that as well, but so do you. So on to next, Ripple. So Chris Larsen, he has filed a motion to dismiss the SEC case over XRP. This is quite a big news story for Ripple. You can see that they're up throughout the past 24 hours, 1.76%. Not huge gains, but it's definitely a positive effect. And the reason for this is, Ripple have been going through a lot of different things. They were, sued last year in terms of because they didn't register the crypto XRP token as a security, and yet they'd sold over 1.3 billion on the market. But Larsen had basically, and his lawyers had said that they had failed to show that Larsen was, was aware of this, that he knew at the time that the units were securities whilst they were selling it. So he's been asking this to be dismissed. It's quite a fair claim in my opinion, but we'll see how it goes. Ripple's still quite risky, and I don't think the price potential is there myself. Cool. So on to next. Now, this is a crypto startup, an insurance startup that offers insurance products to people who have crypto products. It allows you to sort of mitigate your risks while you focus on the ride, as they say. It's quite an interesting company. I'd have a look and check it out. I've already applied for early access, but you can see here that they've raised $2 million in funding. They are completely unregulated right now, so it's a bit of a kind of a risky space, but it's something to definitely have a look at. If you're in the crypto space and you want to, take a look at some really interesting potential companies in the crypto space going forward, insurance is going to be a huge area that's impacted by crypto over the coming years. The good thing is, you can deposit your crypto, and you're incentivized to, and the insurance company will underwrite the risk, or you'll underwrite the risk, and those investors can earn between 4 and 5%. So it is quite interesting, and you can see that so far they have sold over $400 million worth of crypto, and collected over $90 million in capital deposits, which is very interesting. This company is going to be a very, very interesting company, I think, over the next few years. So take a look at Unslashed Finance. On to next, Greyscale. There's been a discount, on the overall price of this asset. And this basically signals a huge buying opportunity for Bitcoin, with the next indicator, the next threshold being 100k. And you can see that Mike McGlone, who correctly predicts Bitcoin going above 50k this year, has said that this is the next target for him. Obviously not going to be straight up, but over the next few months, potentially a year, that's where we could be going with Bitcoin. So if you do want to get some free Bitcoin, check out the link in the description, or you can go to my link, which is bit.ly/32k free Bitcoin. That's bit.ly/32k free Bitcoin, and you can get some free Bitcoin joining up using that link. And I get a bonus as well, but it's a refer a friend sort of thing, so you don't get it if you don't use that link. I'll put that in the description as well if you want to get some free Bitcoin. Basically, the Greyscale premium, it refers to the difference between the price of Bitcoin implied by the cost of shares in the publicly traded Greyscale Bitcoin Trust, and the price of Bitcoin is traded on the cryptocurrency exchanges. So it's the difference in the price of that publicly traded Greyscale asset and Bitcoin itself. And you can see we're at a low since the, probably an all-time low on this. We dipped below zero, actually went negative, and this is showing that a huge buying signal, seen as though the disparity in prices there. So now's the time to buy. You don't have Bitcoin, now's your chance to get it. If you want to 100x your profits on Bitcoin, you can go to my link in the description. It's bit.ly/Binance Joe, bit.ly/Binance Joe. And what you can do is you'll sign up for Binance, you'll get a bonus using my link. You're able to 100x your leverage. You're able to 100 times your profit. You're also able to 100 times lose your trades 100 times faster and easier as well. So just watch out for that. But if you act responsibly, if you don't use too much leverage, if you use the right trade tips, if you've done my free group and you use those trade tips, you can turn $10, $20, $30 profits with big swings into $2,000, $3,000 profits. And you'll see, if you follow my TikTok, you can see the live trades that I have. You can see the amount of profit that I'm in. And yeah, if you want to make sure that you're not just taking advantage of the, you're not holding positions, you're not taking advantage of the market increases, you're taking advantage of the dips, you're taking much more advantage of the rises, then definitely check out that link, and you should get some bonus as well. So links in the description. Thank you all very much for watching this. If you've got any questions, shoot me a message in the comments. I do giveaways every few weeks recently on my TikTok, so make sure to follow, check there every single day. And yeah, make sure to subscribe. Thanks very much for your time. Hope you guys have a great day.